They talk about Netflix. Do we have some long-term opportunity for Netflix, or is it the top right now? What should we do? Today, I will give you the insights from the chart honestly. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. First thing we look at is Netflix. So now I'm going to show you some of my indicator. This one called YM Club Fast. The red line is YM Club Fast. For monthly chart, I will use YM Club Fast or the blue line for the reference. So the first thing I will check is the direction. Do we have opportunity right now? Okay, the first thing is the peak, the selling opportunity. The buying opportunity is here around August 2022 because we have purple candle, which is OBOS, fresh the candle to buy. And also we go above the red and the red change that direction. When the red change the direction, basically this means this is the start of the bull market. So basically this is the buy signal. And then they go all the way up. Then you see they drop below the red line and they flash a yellow candle. It means to sell. Okay. So, and then the red to confirm you, hey, to sell. This candle on October 2025. Okay. The whole candle let you to, hey, sell, 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 sell. The other thing is now we stop at the blue line. Can we buy right now? This moment for monthly chart, not yet. Why? Because it's still red candle. If you want to buy for the monthly chart, I would prefer you have the YM chip entry to tell you where is the institution they are buying. They buying here. Okay? They buying here. This moment we don't have. This is monthly chart. This is for super long-term investor. So for one comment who want me to do the Netflix, please tell me like you're going to buy or you want to sell or what you're holding some position. So next time when you give me some comment, please tell me a bit more detail. Okay, so now the next thing I want you to check is the weekly chart. Do we have any buy signal? We do have institution come in. So each time institution come in, this is they're buying. Okay, but when to buy? When they first start the green candle, it's not the point to buy. I prefer you to be safe. Okay, at least minimum they go above the red, you can add your position. When they go above the red, now do we go above the red yet? Not yet. And the YM cheapest is not yet go above this purple line. So it's not yet to buy. Okay. So if we look at the YM big buy, you can see also the money here. Basically, the money from May 225, they are going out already. The big volume money, they're selling, selling, selling. And they continue to sell more when they drop below the blue. You can see here. Okay. So right now, do we have any track that they're increasing the volume? They're buying? Not yet. You see this purple line, not yet changed the direction. Okay. Another thing is if you buy with this YM chip entry, you need to be careful because you need to buy with the trend. If they are not yet above the red or they're not yet above the blue, basically you are still inside the rebounds. For example, here. You buy here, right? You buy here, for example. Let's say you buy here. Oh, you buy here. But then they drop again because they're still in the rebounds. Okay, they rebound a little bit, they come back again. Okay, so and then you can see, do we have any long-term investment opportunity here? For long-term, you although you have this, but if you look at this chip, they can have a few times one period, two period, three period. Usually, institution buy more when the price drop more. Right now, you tell me it is still kind of in the high price range. Yes, it's still in the high price range. If you want to look for the absolute opportunity, basically you need to wait like they have more drop like this. More they drop, you see more they buy. Okay. Of course, we don't need to wait for the drop. We can wait when they go above the red or when they go above the blue, then we buy. Okay. You add your position when they change this line, the red line. Okay. So this is quite easy. Do we have sell signal? Yes, this is our sell signal here in August. It's the last sell signal. Even the blue changed that direction. we are tilting downward. So you need to be careful, okay? So now the daily chart, we have a bunch of the YM chip entry bunch. But if you buy with this, again, if you buy, you can add your position. But right now, we're still under this blue line. So if you have a lot of money, you can buy. You can build your portfolio. But if you don't have, I would prefer you to buy when they go above the blue. When they go above, for example, here, when they go above the blue and you see YM chip entries here, basically this is a buy point. You add more position when the blue change the direction. Is it clear? Okay. So it's very easy trick to do. And for the monthly chart, for the one who want to invest in Nflx, basically you can also look at few things because this is something quite interesting. You don't need my indicator for this chart. You just line up this line and this line. You extend the line. Basically, they detach the last time low here. Okay, let me show it to you one by one. Okay, so last time. Okay, the first low, the second low, they extend, they create a third low here, which is in April. Every time they touch this line, basically, I show you my indicator, YM chip entry, show you institution coming, institution coming. So this is a buy point, okay? This is a support, and institution know this is a support, okay? Right now, we're not yet on the support. If they really come down, okay, it's possible this price around 70, this price, because here the previous peak, and they will match with this trend line, may touch this trend line. Okay, it may touch this trend line. Okay, so 71 is quite a good support here. At the same time, hopefully they check the green line. Another thing I want you to check is something quite interesting with the Nflx. Every time when they have a big drop, every time when they have a big drop, you extend it to see the next peak. Here, they can extend to 2.272. Here, they stop at this price. They drop, we extend the price, and here, they go above 2.272. But this line serve as a very good resistance. You can see they create a double top and then they go up again. Okay, so this is quite interesting. And right now, where are we now? We are just at 1.618. So is it possible? Well, this is just guessing. Is it possible we can go above here to touch this line? Yeah, is it possible? Yeah. So this is one of the possibility. And if we look at another thing, how to look at the low is by the blue line. For Nflx, let me change. For Nflx, if you look at the whole thing, the low price is here. The low price is here. So this is one bottom. This is another bottom. Is it clear? For super long, we don't have any data because it's still not long enough for the super long to put you the line. But for the blue line, for the YM Club long, they already tell you this is the bottom. This is the bottom. Okay? And this bottom basically in 222. It's not really that far. So is it possible we create another low chance, low chance? I doubt they will have a big drops like this. But again, I don't want to guess. I want to give you the honest insights from the chart. How do we trade? What should we do? We look at the chart to remove all the emotional guessing. Okay. And when the chart say we have a buy signal, for example, when we have a YM club fast, change the direction, change to upward, this is the buy. When they change downward, this is the sell. That is so easy. You don't need to think about, oh, I like this stock. Oh, where is the bottom? Oh, where's the fab? We just remove all kind of guessing. Okay. For the guessing part, if you don't have my indicator, you can do it as a reference. Okay. But my personal advice is to remove all the guessing. You just tell from the chart, hey, you buy and you sell. That's it. And this moment, again, do we have any if depends on your type of investment. Are you looking for very, very long term or are you looking for short term? If you're looking for the wave, for example, you trade with daily chart, you use this blue line is a very, very good, easy trader. So when they go above the blue and they have YM chip entries previously, then you buy. And when the blue change the direction, you add. That's it. When they go up, when they drop below the blue, you can reduce your position or withdraw your original cost. When they go more and then the blue change the direction, you sell everything. That's it. This is daily chart. For monthly chart, it's the same operation. For the weekly chart, it's exactly the same. So it depends how long do you want to hold this stock. Okay, so this is the update for Netflix. By the way, this is the Christmas. I'm going to give you a Christmas bonus. So give me comment for the stock who have the change for YM chip entry or who has the YM club fast for monthly chart or weekly chart, they change from downward to upward and you think the stock has dropped enough. Send me a comment if you win, if you really find this kind of opportunity, and I will post a video here and analyze for you, and you will have 1 month free of my indicator bundle to try. Okay, so this is the our Christmas game this time. So see you next video, and this game is until end of the December. See you next video. Bye.